Ever notice a strange habit in yourself or someone else and just brush it off? Be careful. Some of these aren't quirks. They're your brain's way of waving a red flag. 12. The skin picker, nail biting, skin picking, pulling hair. It feels harmless. But psychologists call this body-focused repetitive behaviors, BFRBS. Your brain is trading anxiety for a micro-hit of relief. The cost? Shame, scars, and sometimes infections. It's not just stress. It's your brain stuck in a self-destructive loop. 11. The ritualist. Double-checking the door, touching objects a certain number of times, needing symmetry. This isn't being careful. It's OCD compulsions, the brain trying to control chaos by creating its own rules. The ritual calms you for seconds, then the anxiety surges back. 10. The hyper-suspicious one. Constantly convinced people are plotting against you? That's not just being careful. It's paranoid personality disorder tendencies. The brain rewires everyday signals into threats, forcing you to live in a war zone where every look or laugh feels hostile. 9. The brick wall. When nothing touches you, not happiness, sadness, or even fear, that's emotional blunting. Common in PTSD and severe depression, it's not toughness. It's the brain flipping the off switch on feelings to survive overload. 8. The emotionally numb one. Struggling to explain what you feel, or even name it? That's alexithymia. Your brain has feelings but can't translate them into words. People think you're cold, but inside you're drowning without a language to ask for help. 7. The compulsive collector. When clutter turns into fortresses of junk, that's hoarding disorder. The brain wires intense emotional value to objects. Throwing one away feels like losing a piece of yourself. It's not laziness, it's fear-driven attachment. 6. The perpetual liar. Some people lie even when it hurts them. This isn't just dishonesty, it's pathological lying. The act itself delivers dopamine, a small rush, making the brain addicted to the performance of lying, not the outcome. 5. The always-on person. Boundless energy, endless projects, risky decisions. It looks like confidence, but it's hypomania, often linked to bipolar disorder. The brain's reward system is jammed on high. The crash later isn't weakness, it's the cost of the high. 4. The social hermit. Avoiding every party, every group invite, every chance to connect. That's not just shyness, it can be avoidant personality disorder. The brain magnifies the fear of rejection so strongly that isolation feels safer than trying. 3. The human cannonball. Quitting jobs on a whim, impulsive shopping sprees, extreme risk-taking. That's not being spontaneous, it's impulse control disorder. The stop button in your brain malfunctions, so urges skip the filter of logic. 2. The pseudo-genius. People who obsessively collect random facts but never act on them might show signs of compensatory intelligence obsession. The brain craves knowledge not to grow, but to protect fragile self-worth. You look smart, but you're secretly avoiding action. 1. The chronic scroller. Can't stop doom scrolling at 3 a.m.? This isn't laziness, it's digital self-soothing. The brain floods you with dopamine with every swipe, tricking you into staying up, while your stress and sleep debt silently destroy your mental health. These habits aren't quirks, they're codes, your brain's hidden language for, I need help. Recognizing them is the first step. Ignoring them. That's like seeing a warning light on your dashboard and covering it with tape. Check yourself. Which one of these hit home? Comment it, and don't brush it off. Awareness is the first step to breaking the cycle. If you want unfiltered psychology without the fluff, subscribe now.